welcome site code to create a basic calculator using C programming language. So some basic function which we are going to implement are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are the four functions which we will be coding in our calculator, and by the end of this video you will be able to understand how to use switch case statements in C programming language. So let's start by coding our header file, main function. Now let's display a menu, printf, enter your choice, and next line, and let's write some 1 for addition. The user will input 1, then we will give him a function to add 2 number. 2 for subtraction, likewise printf. 3 for multiplication, printf. 4 for division. Let's run this code and see our menu will be displayed or not. So yeah, this will be displayed to our user. Now the user will type 1 2 3 or 4, that's it. So let's write a variable int choice which will be equal to 0, and now scanf %d ampersand choice. We will store our input in the variable choice. Let's run it, and now user will be able to type the input. So this is it. Now let's do one thing. Let's check if the value of choice will be equal to 1 2 3 and 4. It should not be less than 1 or greater than 4. So let's do it directly. We don't want to check the values. We will write the switch statement, switch case switch, and this we will pass our variable choice. Now case 1, case 2, sorry I have written 1, case 1, case 2. We have total 4 case, so case 3, then case 4, and by after that a default case will be there. Let's write something here, printf %d case, not case. I want to print the value of choice. Run it. Label at end of compound statement. Let's run it. Yeah, 1, and you can see that 1 is printed, and the statement which I have written after default ABC, which is also printed. So our code is working. Now you can see that I have typed 1, so it is possible that if the case is equals to 1, then this will be printed. But why this ABC is also printed? So let's stop it by writing a break statement, so that it will, after executing this line, it will come out of this switch statement and print something here, print out of switch. Let's run it. So enter 1. You can see previously it was printing ABC. Now after printing 1, the break statement will be executed and we will get out of the switch statements and we will print out of switch like I have written it. out of switch, so it is printing and not the default one is printing. So we have to add break statement after execution of every case. So let's write break everywhere, break and break, because we don't want to run other case. Let's take two number int num, not writing int, num1 and num2. We will take these two number from the user. So let's write a statement. Let's change our statement, print enter two numbers and slash n, write to scanf statement, scanf percentage d and num1. Let's save the time by copy pasting it as it is. This is our number 2. Now after doing this, we want to, what is our case 1? Case 1 is addition, so we will perform addition. So printf, we will be adding two integers, so num1 plus num2. Let's run our code, enter your choice. So we will be entering 1. Now it's asking us enter two number. I have added 2, enter 2 and 3, so it is printing 5, and this after that it is printing out of switch. So let's comment out this statement, out of switch statement. Here we don't want to print it, so let's erase it. So our code for addition is working. Now let's copy this code for subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's directly paste them here. Let's shift it little bit, yeah. And let's second case is subtraction, so we will change our sign from addition to subtraction and let's run it. We want to go in second case, enter two number 3, 4, so 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so it is printing. Now let's don't waste time and copy paste it two more times. So third case is our multiplication. We will write multiplication sign here, and after that we will write division. Let's run it. 3, 2 and 6. So I am given input as 3, so it means we want to perform multiplication. Now the two numbers are 2 and 6, and when I press enter, so 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, so it is performing multiplication. Now let's do it once more for division also. So I will press 4 for division, and let's write two number 4 and 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let's do it one more time. 5, no 4, and now I want to divide 5 by 2. It is again printing 2. So our code is working. So this is a basic calculator using C programming language, and printf by default we will print invalid input. And let me show this, what is the function of this default statement here. So suppose if we are not typing 1, 2, 3 and 4, then I have entered 4, so it will print invalid input and our code will be executed completely. So after invalid input there is nothing to show, so that's it. So what we have done in this video, we have coded a calculator, basic calculator, which have some functionalities like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For coding this we have used the switch statement. So we have learned about switch statement, break statement, which will help to break out of the current execution, and we have also learned about default statement, which will be which will be executed if it doesn't, the value of choice doesn't match with any case. So case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. If there is other value than 1 2 3 4, then the default statement will be executed. So this is a C program for a calculator. We will write some more code in the next video. Until then, like the video and thank you very much.